It's cold natured. Give it a minute. Hey, don't. Wait.
You just sent a fucking rod through the bar.
I didn't do anything.
You weren't?
Nothing.
Oh, I thought you were doing that. You were?
He was fucking doing it.
Yum, yum, yum!
Alright guys, so we all decided this is going to be the meme car for the channel. The only rules to this car is we have to try to make it stay running and driving under its own power for as long as possible.
Harry, get in. Mom's gonna kill us.
Here, hold the starter.
I am started.
I am starter. I'm going to go find a vacuum cap for that because that'll help it not run like a haggard piece of shit. But while I get that, you guys do your best to start it and put it in gear and try to roll it back and forth and get the back brakes to unlock.
They're already unlocked.
Oh, really? Are you sure? Well. Guys, there's nothing better I can do with that car. Like, it's so structurally just ruined that I don't think that we could ever get it safe enough to put it on the road and not be scared that it'll snap in half and kill somebody. So I've decided that we're just gonna make it a meme car, and whenever we're working on something and we're just fucking tired of what we're doing, we're gonna get a Wild Hare and drive the Wild Hare until that we're not irritated anymore. Okay, do it. Start it.
I can't.
Exactly.
Oh, you $10 to me. I got to live in this.
You broke out $10 right away.
He gonna learn how to drive stick in this bitch.
You don't know how to drive stick?
Hit the starter, Chris.
Key on.
Oh, this piece of shit.
The
Key on.
tallest tab to us. Yep. No. Yep.
The shift pattern is off. They gave the point.
It's still it's still locked up.
Well, unlock that motherfucker.
That's what I asked y'all to do.
You put it down.
No, it's locked up in the back beyond the handle. The problem is further than the handle. All right, chill. Stop. I can. Damn it, Austin.
Let me try it.
Oh yeah, let's see if old stick man can give it the shit. You got to drag it through the brakes. The brakes are locked up for some reason.
Hey, what's the reverse?
It's lockout. Lockout all the way forward left. You do not have it in reverse. Push it down. It's a lockout. There you go. Damn, did the fucking... The clutch let go?
I let it go.
Okay, well.
It broke.
Hold on, stop. Try to get out of the clutch as fast as you can. Holy fuck. fire! This motherfucker's on fire already.
Where?
Under it.
Oh. On fire!
Oh yeah, she's burning.
Get it, extinguisher, extinguisher by the door.
It's the tree limb.
Yeah. Hurry, boy, hurry!
Yeah, it's just a tree fire.
Hey, pop it in neutral. We need to roll it backwards. It's catching the grass on fire.
Stupid motherfucker.
It's gonna be right behind the manifold.
Right here. Come right here.
Got it, homie?
Not on the manifold.
That's fine. Push it. Oh, we can't push it through the brakes. Oh my God.
This is some good content.
I keep that motherfucker on me.
Was I just dragging the wheel the whole time?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you don't see the marks?
Look, there's literally, the other one's not locked up. It's
built
just,
up in front of the tire.
yeah, so we're unlocking the rear brakes here.
Yeah, that's how you do
all
that.
right.
That's factory spec right there.
That's to Volkswagen spec, 1978.
Okay, there's the bearing. There's the race.
Yeah, not sure what order, but it's just a dirty thread.
God, no.
Where's the adjustable wrench? Is it over there?
Just hammer it through that dirty thread,
You
and
have
then
that
I'll finish
adjustable
it.
wrench?
No.
It's not over there on the truck?
He on.
Key on?
A lease off of it?
Yeah. Neutral.
Yeah, there's a lot of lease right there.
Send her.
Sounds like a fucking jet.
Do what?
Like the color of Harry Potter. Ford angina or angina.
You get a big ass hole.
All Whitebeard's having a great time. I'm shocked it's not like trying to crack in half.
He's gonna roll that.
He's gonna forget that it don't have brakes.
That's all. Oh yeah, no brakes.
Austin, get in there.
Hi, homie.
Pull the e-brake.
Darren's carrying. Oh.
Oh.
That's all.
Next.
Watch your feet.
Keep your feet up.
What gear?
Yes.
Put it in the front.
Put it forward.
Front.
Left and forward. Yeah, there it is. That's first. You're gonna want second real quick.
He went, boom! Dude, that's fun.
It's a
No.
shit, ain't it? See?
It don't work at all.
So there are no brakes.
I told him that. I'm getting behind the damn truck. How you bought it down? Austin's gonna be the one to roll that motherfucker.
So fun.
See?
Dude.
See, we can't put it in a tree and destroy it. Like we have to just keep
Awesome.
fucking it up. Something breaks, we have to fix it. Just keep it rolling.
I thought he built the stuff.
I wish it had brakes. That's my style of driving. Hard as fuck and then hitting the brakes. Is he?
Oh, God, Austin.
Is he trying to clutch drop it?
I did right there.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It may be out of gas.
It's out of gas.
Hey, we're out of gas, boys.
It's out of gas for sure. Jam it in gear for park.
I got some gas.
Put it in gear.
If you want to drive it.
Dang, that didn't last long. I'm glad that wasn't like a bad deal.
Oh wow! How do you get in there?
It's a real trick piece, Chris. You just got to kind of. It's custom.
Double
threaded.
It's very custom. Is that mixed gas or?
No.
Diesel.
Oh, hey, whoa!
I just bought it.
Those are dollars.
Right?
Oh, I thought we were gonna put some 114 in it and let it rip. You can adjust the AFR with a flathead screwdriver on this thing. What do we want to run today? 9 to 1, 10 to 1, 14 to 1? Do I need to send them home? I think so.
I was about to send it home. We didn't hit a tree.
I thought you were gonna hit that stump out.
I was trying to. I'm like, nah.
I was like, I hope he overheard us screaming that there are no brakes.
About a
He's
gallon
good.
and a half.
Okay, yeah, that's all I need.
You're gonna shock the fuck out of yourself. Might have to crank for a second. We're back in business.
Oh my God!
Dude, that is so fun.
It's like an enclosed go-kart.
Yeah. I couldn't get it to spin out for crap. I tried to
Damn. Front wheel drive. She's gonna dig in and flip.
Oh yeah, we're good, bud. Battery wire.
Oh, the battery moves a little
Oh yeah, the battery moves a little bit. That'll be alright. You don't need no tie downs. It's fine. It's fine.
Send it to the big pile.
I'm in collect. It just spins. Like you gotta have it.
I couldn't grip it for crap.
We gotta figure back brakes back out.
Well, that ain't gonna happen.
Oh, we figure something out. Where did I hit? Oh, this one.
Yeah, you hit over there.
If you get panicked and you're in second, give it a blip of throttle and shove it, clutch in and shove it into first, and that'll help you slow down. Without burning the clutch up.
He's like in third.
He's probably in second.
That's the speed going that corner. There's not really a good drop off on this side.
If you go straight around that truck, go straight.
We might have pissed the clutch off.
Nah, that's fine.
He just hits the wrong gear.
Stop. Put it in neutral, push down, and then all the way left and forward, like first. Yeah, there we go. No, don't.
Oh, I thought he would.
He's scared to switch gears. He's having a hard time with the standard. It's super sloppy though. That's probably part of his problem. What do you think, bud?
Yeah.
Wild Hare.
Man, it's hitting a little too hard to the brush pile.
That's all right.
We wanted to hit the damn stove. Yeah, you're coming right at it.
We were like, ah, fuck, we're gonna have to put a radiator in it. Ah, fuck it. Dude, that what? Battery's probably pissed smooth off.
I need to put some water in it.
Oh no, it's got water in it. Yeah.
I want to do a time attack, David.
We're pushing our luck right now. All right, all our old ladies are pissed. What do we got to do, James?
Like, comment, subscribe, and be human.
That's it, boys. Peace out. We'll see you later.